Once upon a time, there was a big city named Blue Mountain. It had lots of big trees with green, yellow, and orange leaves. Faryal, Panko, Haaziq, and Samir were hiking around the Blue Mountain. Faryal and Panko are the cousins of Haaziq and Samir. Haaziq and Samir are brothers. Faryal, Haaziq, and Panko wanted to go for a gondola ride, but Samir was scared as it was very high and he thought he might fall down. Haaziq had a plan for it. He said, "We can hold Samir hard so we can be support him like a safety belt." Faryal and Panko said,
That's a good idea!
as they held Samir, he was very happy and not scared anymore of the gondola ride. After that, Faryal, Haaziq, Panko, and Samir would meet each other every week for hiking and gondola rides at the Blue Mountain.